Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here. So CGI is going to hire freshers from the batch 2019 and 2020. So you can see the category here is development engineering, and the city where you will be getting the job is Bangalore, Karnataka. So friends, basically the location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai, but the primary location will be Bangalore. And the job position ID is has been given here, and employment type is full time. So friends, CGI is a top multinational companies. So friends, this link will be given in the description, so you can click on this link and you will be landed to this page, and you can click on I am interested, and then you will be able to apply for the particular job. Now friends, so please watch the video till the end to understand how we are going to fill the application form here. So what is the position description? So looking for freshers 1920, ready to work in the rotational shift 24 by 7, and excellent communication skill, open to learn new technologies, and location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. What are the skills required for that is mainframe. Friends, they have not talked about which stream will be applicable for this particular job. So with respect to whatever stream you have, you will be able to apply for this particular job. Okay. Now, what you can expect from us. So build your career with us. Okay. So you can just go through this, and you can also click on this link www.cgi.com for getting more information. Okay. Now, if you want to apply for that, then you can click on I am interested. Okay. Now, friends, so once you click on that, you will be landed to this particular page where again the same information will be given to you, but here you will be able to apply for that particular job. So the position ID has been given and title fresher. So fresher here is 19 and 20 batch they are referring. Now if you want to apply for this job, friends, then you have to give your email ID, and then you have to create the profiles. And friends, then you have to select the country in which I seek the employment. So that is nothing but India. Okay, so you can select according to your choice, and now click on create profile. Now friends, so after you click on, then you will be landed to this profile. Okay, so create profile. So here you need to select the resume. Okay, so choose your file. So I have kept my resume on the desktop. Okay, and then file type, so it is nothing but resume. Okay, and we have already attached the document, so you just need to click here. Okay, one moment, your resume is getting processed. Okay, so a lot of information they will be taking from there. Okay, so we are creating the profile now. Okay, so attached document done. Now save and continue. You will be redirected to a different page. Okay, so now we have to create the profiles. Okay, a password. So I will put some random password. That random password you should be able to remember. Okay, and then email already it has been taken. So I'll see if I can copy or not. Yeah, I can copy paste. And then title. Okay, legal first name, legal last name, primary phone. So this is my phone, official phone number, country where you stay. So that is none other than India. Now friends, state. So state I will fill Karnataka, and in Karnataka we have Bangalore. Okay, so there is no drop down, so you can fill Bangalore, and then PAN. So my PAN is so a skill selection. So now we have to search for the skills. Okay, so I'll just put Java. So let us search if you get something. Okay, or here I will put anything, friends. Later on you can just select one of that. Okay, and then skill system engineering. So if you do not have any experience, then dash dash. Okay, okay, system engineering, fine. Rank. So friends, basically you need to select the 5 skills which you have. So you can select whatever, if even if you have the minimum knowledge of that. Okay, and then you need to click on save and continue. You see, when we were selecting only 2 or 3, it was not allowing us to save and continue, right? It was throwing some error. And now friends, you will be redirected to this particular page. So have you referred by a CGI member for this position? If yes, then click yes, otherwise no, and click on save and continue. One more thing, friends. So parallelly, you should be also able to get a mail. So dear candidate, thank you for creating your candidate profile on the CGI website. Please click here to navigate to career listing and update your personal profile. So once you do the registration, you fill the details, then you should be able to get the email, right? And friends, now you can see, so your application for job ID fresher has been submitted successfully. You may also want to upload additional documents. So if you want, you can upload this kind of documents. Okay, select and rank your skill and competencies to increase your visibility with our recruiters. So this is you may if you want, otherwise you have been successfully applied for this position. Okay, and friends, you will be also getting a mail. So dear Prateek Kumar, thank you for your interest in a career with CGI. We are pleased to inform that receipt of your resume in response to the job opportunity. Okay, we will review your resume, and if your skills and qualification match the position requirement, a member of our recruiting team will contact you directly. So friends, many times you see your resume is not selected. Okay, you don't get any call. See, the reason is your resume is not qualified, or maybe the skills which they are looking for that particular job position is not matching. So that is the reason, friends. So your resume should be very much proper. So we will be also coming up with one of the videos where we will tell you what all has to be in resume and what is the proper format of resume, so that all your job applications will get selected. So thank you, friends. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe.